seen our slime eggs?
Nope. Wait, we can help you find them. Are you thinking what I'm thinking, Fizzy? I sure am. It's time for the Dinosaur game. Time for some Fizzy magic. Fizzy, Wizzy, Bo, Busy Bop.
Whoa, this looks awesome!
I know, right? Miss Hands, we need a hand.
Hey everyone, it's me, Miss Hands. Alright, the disc drop game, my favorite. What are we winning today?
We're helping our dinosaur friends get their slime eggs back.
Well then, we better get going. It's time to drop that disc.
All right. It's landed on blue, just like the sky. Miss Hands, open it!
Alright, Phoebe. Time to find out what's inside our blue box. Here we go. Oh. Whoa! Look at this! We've got 2 super cool slime eggs! And look at all of the pretty colors inside!
Awesome sauce! We found them! Here you go, dinosaurs!
Wow! This game is awesome! You found them so quickly! But what happens if we lose them again?
Well, you'll just have to keep them somewhere safe.
All right, yeah. Wait, but where?
I've got it! We could build a slime egg nest!
A slime egg nest? Whoa, that sounds awesome! But how do we get all of the things for it?
With the disc drop game, of course! Miss Hands?
Yes, Fizzy?
It's time to drop that disc!
All right, it landed on the yellow box. I wonder what's inside. Time we find out. Here we go. Whoa, look at all of this pretty, sparkly glitter.
Glitter's my favorite! Let's keep going!
Good idea, Phoebe. All right, I wonder where this disc will land.
All right! It landed in the orange box! I hope there's something good inside!
So do I, Fizzy. All right, it's time to find out what's inside our orange box. Whoa, that sounds super noisy. Here we go. Whoa, look, we've got some pretty pine cones and some leaves. Oh, that's gonna be perfect for our dinosaur nests.
I love nature! It's so pretty! Ooh, Miss Hands!
Yes, Phoebe?
Can I drop the next disc? Please, 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 please!
Of course you can, Phoebe.
Alright! It's time to drop that disc!
Oh, the green box, my favorite. All right, it's time to find out what's inside. Here we go. Whoa, look at all of these pretty colored feathers. We've got purple, yellow, ooh, blue, green, pink, orange, and red. These are gonna look so pretty in our dinosaur nests. Great job, everyone! We're nearly there. We've only got 1, 2 more boxes to go. Time to drop that desk. All right, it landed on the red box. Whoa, I hope there's something tasty inside. I'm hungry. I hope so too, Dinosaur. Let's find out what's inside this red box. Here we go. Whoa, look! We've got some pink, stretchy slime and, all right, some blue, squishy slime. These will be awesome for the base of our dinosaur nests.
Hey, Miss Hands! Miss Hands! Guess what?
What, Phoebe?
We've only got one more box to go! Come on, team! It's time to drop that task!
You're right, Phoebe. All right, let's hope this lands in the black box.
Awesome sauce! We did it! Miss Hands, open the black box!
All right, here goes. I wonder what's inside. Whoa, look at this. We've got a buzzy bee. Bzzz. We've got a bouncy grasshopper. And whoa, we've got a wriggly centipede. All right, these insects are super cool.
Yay! We did it! We found all the items to make the nest, but uh-oh, how do we make it? First, we need to squish all the slime together. Miss Hands, could you lend a hand?
All right, let's do the pink one first. Now the blue one.
Now we need to make it into a nest shape.
Great idea, Fizzy. All right, let's make it into a pretty nest.
Miss Hands,
Yes, Phoebe?
make sure the walls are nice and high.
Good idea. There we go. One pink nest. Now for the blue one. Perfect. Two pretty slime nests. But now what?
I got it! Let's add some pretty glitter!
All right, here goes the glitter. Whoa, so sparkly. And on the blue one. Oops. Uh-oh, that was a bit much.
Now it's time to add some leaves and pine cones!
Perfect, but where should I place them?
Ooh, you could place the leaves at the bottom of the nest! That way, it'll be nice and comfy for our slime eggs!
That's a great idea, Phoebe. Here we go. One there, one there. Now, that one can go there. We could put this little one over here. Now to add some pretty decoration. Ooh, that one can go there. Let's do one over here. So pretty.
Wait! We haven't finished yet!
What's missing, Phoebe?
The feathers! We need the nice soft feathers for our slime eggs!
Oops. Oh yeah, silly me. I almost forgot. What color would you like, Phoebe?
I think I'd like yellow and green.
Good choice. What about you, Fizzy?
I like the purple and the pink.
Perfect. I've chopped them up to make them a little bit smaller so we can fit them into our slime nests. Wow, that looks so pretty. I love the color. Good choice, Phoebe. All right, Fizzy, you're up next.
Oh, Miss Hands, I like one sticking up, like this,
Great idea, Fizzy.
and one over here.
Ta-da!
Perfect! Awesome sauce! Now they look like real slime nests.
Wait a second, Phoebe. I think we're missing something.
Oh no! What is it? What is it?
It's our slime eggs.
Oh yeah! Silly me!
All right, time to pop our slime eggs into our slime nests. Oh, they look so cute.
Awesome sauce! We did it! Good work, team! Now our slime eggs won't get lost again! Uh-oh. What was that? Wait! I think it's hatching! Wait! What is it?
It's a baby blue dinosaur, Phoebe.
Oh, that's so cute! Wait, Phoebe, do you hear that? I do, Fizzy! What is it? I think another egg is hatching! Let's go see! Yay! It's a centipede!
That's right, Phoebe. Look, it's a baby centipede. The slime eggs must have got mixed up.
Oops! Silly slime eggs!
Thanks, Fizzy and Phoebe, for all your help. Yeah, you saved our slime eggs.
That's alright. We're always happy to help our friends. What's wrong, Phoebe? Well, I wanted a pet dinosaur. Maybe next time. Alright! This is the best day ever! Come on, Phoebe. We better go. Awesome sauce! Thanks for watching. We hope you all have a fizzy, fantastic day. We will see you next time. Come on, Fizzy. I'll race you to the playground.
All together now. Fizzy, Wizzy, Bo Busy Bop.